Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm glad to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is the Immersion blenders. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For these hooks, they are about like 8 inches in total. And this motor and handlebars together, they are almost about like 13 and 3/4 inches long. And from the units on the sticker side, we can see they have a ETL sanitation stickers on it, and the manufacturer information and made in China. And they do using the 110 powers and about like 350 watts for this one. So we can see the manufacturer to give us the standard plugs for 110. And when we look in the bottoms, the blade right here, they have a 3 as a triangle blades mounted at the bottoms. And also when we see the handlebars, we can see a couple buttons on it. They have a lock buttons, power switch, and the able buttons is for emergency stops. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.